Windows 11 issues after updating, freezing, Wi-Fi dropping, apps crashing. You're not alone. I'll show you the causes and fixes. Welcome back. Addressing Windows 11 issues with simple solutions. If your system's acting strange, this video can help. First bug, start menu/taskbar not responding. Common after updates. Fix, Task Manager Control plus Shift plus Escape. Restart Windows Explorer. If that fails, Settings, Windows Update, Update History, Uninstall Updates. Second bug, slow boot/login freeze. Resolve, Settings, System, Power and Battery. Set power mode to best performance. Disable startup apps in Task Manager's Startup Apps tab. Run dsm/online/cleanup image/restore health in command prompt as administrator. Wi-Fi disconnecting. Update your Wi-Fi driver in Device Manager. Disable power saving in adapter properties if it continues. Reset network settings. No sound. Find sound settings, choose output. If grayed, reinstall sound driver from Device Manager, then restart. Explorer freezing. Disable show sync provider notifications in folder options. Clear Explorer history. Update Windows or wait. Microsoft knows. Update stuck. Stop Windows Update in services.msc. Delete C:\\Windows\software distribution contents. Restart service, recheck. Flickering after GPU install. Reinstall driver via DDU safe mode. Get latest from NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. TPM/BitLocker pop-ups. Clear TPM in security settings, reboot. Suspend BitLocker before updating.
And that's it. The most common Windows 11 bugs and how to fix them. Which one are you facing right now? Drop it in the comments below. I might feature your issue in the next Fix It Fast video. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to Mendit Tech, and check out our other troubleshooting guides linked below.